Welcome to this tutorial on how to use EveryDollar zero-based budgeting. EveryDollar is a free budgeting tool that helps you manage your finances by allocating every single dollar towards a specific expense or savings goal. To get started, first create an account on the EveryDollar website or download the mobile app. Once you have logged in, you will be prompted to set a budget by entering your income. This is the total amount of money you have available to spend each month. Next, you will need to categorize your expenses into different groups such as housing, transportation, food, and entertainment. EveryDollar provides preset categories to make this process easier, but you can also customize them to fit your specific needs. The key concept behind zero-based budgeting is to assign every single dollar towards a specific expense or savings goal. This means that every dollar is accounted for, and you are not leaving any money unallocated. To do this, start by allocating funds to your necessary expenses such as rent, utilities, and groceries. Then, assign funds to your savings goals, such as building an emergency fund or paying off debt. Finally, allocate funds to your discretionary spending, such as entertainment and hobbies. A practical example of how to use EveryDollar is to set a budget for a month where you have $4,000 in income. You allocate $1,500 towards rent, $500 towards utilities, and $300 towards groceries. You also allocate $1,000 towards savings and $700 towards discretionary spending. Best practices for using EveryDollar include regularly tracking your expenses to ensure you are staying within your allocated amounts and making adjustments as needed. You should also review your budget regularly to ensure it is aligned with your financial goals. By following these steps and using EveryDollar zero-based budgeting, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always assign every single dollar towards a specific expense or savings goal, and to regularly review and adjust your budget as needed.